Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are with the next topic in reserves, that is for the dissolution of the firm. So here we are talking about investment fluctuation reserve adjustment at the dissolution of the firm. When the firm is dissolving, the balance sheet is given to you. On the liability side appears investment fluctuation reserve. On the asset side, investments are given. Investment fluctuation reserve is created to meet out the changes in the market value of the investment that I've already discussed with you in another video. Now, what is to be done for these two things at the time of the dissolution of the firm? First of all, to let you know, whatever things appear in the balance sheet, they have to appear at one place while the firm is dissolved. Whenever your firm is dissolving, the things which appear in the balance sheet, they will go into the respective accounts only once. So what is the treatment of these two? First of all, take out the investments as you take another assets, like if building is here, like furniture is here, all the assets you carry to the realization account. On the debit side you write two assets, same way investment would be shown here only once, nowhere else it will be taken. The similar way out is for investment fluctuation reserve, that was on the liability side, now it will be taken to the credit side of your realization account by investment fluctuation reserve with the full value, whether it is less, more, whatever value is given to you, whatever amount investments are sold, nothing to be considered. IFR will go on the credit side of the realization account as it is and not to appear in any other account, only at one place, and that is done. It will not go to any of other account at the time of the dissolution of the firm. No further treatment is required for your IFR or the investments which were appearing in the balance sheet. Thank you. That's all for the topic investment fluctuation reserve at the time of dissolution. Please like, share and subscribe Accountitude. Keep scoring.